Good afternoon, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors, and today I'm showing you around our Audi S3 Sportback YF70FNM. Mythos black car with a black leather interior, 19-inch wheels and comfort and sound pack. We'll start out with just a little general look at the car, although I'm sure you've seen the pictures already. We will then go in closer. I will show you around the car, one panel at a time. I will go in nice and close. I'll highlight any imperfections I see as we're going around the car, show you a few interesting items in terms of specification, options fitted. But if you would like a detailed look at spec, you will find that in the main body text of the advert alongside fully itemised service records. So, even, I'm 50 centimetres away from the bonnet now, absolutely spot on, looks lovely, paint, fit and finish are great. If you go in really close, it's a black car, there are some little chips that have been neatly touched in. There's no dents, no big bits of paint missing, it is just those small things. Down to the bumper. We'll use a very similar description here in that overall presents itself extremely well. If I go in very close, you will see again there are little chips that have been touched in. Nothing unsightly. Headlamps and the front end plastics, bright and clear. You can see just there the outer chrome band was wrapped by the previous owner, gloss black. Easily removable if you prefer. And on the near side, plastics also bright and clear, no damage there. No scuff slow down. Moving to the near side of the car. Alignment is spot on. There is a very small dent actually that is, we won't see it from here, I'll show you when we get round to it. It's only a shallow one and it's already booked for removal, but overall we're all good on the passenger side. Near side front wheel there. I'm not seeing any marks on that one. Red brake calipers on this car. We have Nankang, I can't see the model, NS20s with probably 5 to 6 millimeters of tread on that one. All nice along the sill. Near side door mirror. No damage there. Near side front door, no damage. Near side front door panel. Black leather interior in this car with pale grey stitching, aluminium inlays. Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade as part of comfort and sound pack. Full black diamond stitched leather interior. Front seats are heated. Near side rear door there. Just going to try and show you, in fact you can see it already. So if you look just there, there is a little L-shaped scratch, probably 20 millimeters long in total, that's been neatly touched in. And just above the swage line there, 2 small chips, probably 5 mil each, that have been neatly touched in. View up and over the roof, panoramic glass sunroof on this car. Surprisingly tricky to find on S3 of this age, and we did wonder if they were somehow affected by COVID supply problems. I'll show you the sunroof working once we're inside, but that's near side door panel there. Passenger seat back. View over the rear seat. Near side rear wheel, again, that looks unmarked. Matching tyre to the front, probably 6mm of tread on that one. And if you look absolutely dead centre screen there, sorry, it doesn't even show up because it's so shallow, there is an incredibly shallow dent. Can't see it at all. There's a very shallow dent there that's already booked to be pulled out, so that will be gone. Moving round to the rear of the car. All presents nicely. Tailgate glass bright and clear, no scratching around the tailgate handle. You can see the reversing camera peeping out just there. Boot trims and carpets in good condition, with no sort of particular marks from loading. If you go in super close, you can see there's the odd very faint thing, but nothing I think you could call damage. Down to the bumper. Paint on the face of the bumper looks nice. Exhaust trims nice and bright. No damage on the valance. There is a nick just there. You see that on top of my finger? Probably 6 or 8mm. And bringing us to the offside of the car. So again, I'm down low, moving phone around so you can watch the reflections. Swage lines, panel alignment, all as they should be. Paint looks nice, no dents to mention on this side. Offside rear wheel, no damage. 6 to 7mm tyre. No damage on the quarter panel. Nice and clean inside the fuel door. All looks good along the sill. Offside rear door. Offside rear door panel. Seat back. Opposite view there of the rear seats. Headrests present and correct. Driver's door now. And door mirror, both spot on to my eye. Offside front door panel there. Got control there for the electric folding door mirrors. Flat bottom steering wheel on this car, leather of which looks in nice condition, as it does on the armrest and the driver's seat. Driver's front wheel there, also unmarked. I can't see anything on that at all. Matching tyre again, probably 6mm of tread on that one, so ample tyre life remaining. Engine bay clean and tidy, and all standard. This is not a modified car. Virtual cockpit, all working as it should. DAB radio there. Doing my best to avoid glare on the lens. All the other music sources. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Apple CarPlay being wireless. drive select screen there. Lets us play around with the settings for the engine, gearbox, power steering and exhaust. Sensors all round with a camera on the back. Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade. Panoramic glass sunroof. Blind is manual. Sunroof itself tilts and slides. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats. And I think that brings us back around to start again. There we go. I hope you found that video to have been helpful. If that has brought to mind a question on the car, if I've missed something, if you'd like to discuss the part exchange or finance, or you'd like to book a viewing in person, do please let us know. Thanks very much indeed.